Well, there's massive search and cordon operation to track down the terrorists, but there's massive outpouring of anger and protests by the people of Kashmir to eliminate terrorism. So security forces may be trying to track down terrorists, but locals say this should end, terrorism should end, because killing just a terrorist doesn't end terrorism or militancy. And people were out on the roads today protesting, even saying they are ready, willing to those who know that area to help security force to track down the attackers, because this is the most horrific incident. And one of the person who was killed among 26 is a local Sayyid Adil. He's the hero, brave heart of Pahalgam, and who gave his life while trying to protect the tourists. In fact, Chief Minister Umar Abdullah also attended his last rites and he paid homage to him, saying this is the brave heart. And in fact, there's also some heartening stories. These are tourists from Maharashtra, where 6 tourists from Maharashtra have been killed in this horrific attack, but they are not going back with the bitter memories. Tell me, you are going back, leaving Pahalgam now?
Yeah, just Pahalgam, not Kashmir at all. Because many people forced us that please try to book your flights and come back again. It's very terrifying, but we are not at all scared. We are ready to
We
visit.
trust local
You come this side.
Kashmiris.
Okay.
Because we trust local Kashmiris. The way they have treated us till now, they have got our trust from our bottom of our heart. They helped us in every context. The driver uncle whom with we are traveling, he did not ask our religion before leaving us to our hotel. He did not ask seek for his own safety, but he was working for our own safety,
Right.
He means make us reach our hotel as before as we.
So, because yesterday you were in Pahalgam, there was a terrific, horrible attack,
Yes.
and people from Maharashtra, they were also killed.
Yes.
Aren't you scared?
We were scared because the people on social media are just showing that. They're not showing that how can we control it. They're just showing that this are kid, that are kid. But what I want is everybody should stop it now.
And you are saying you are not leaving Kashmir, you would be going to other places.
Yes, we will travel
Sure.
because this place is so beautiful, a beautiful example of sustainable development. It is totally developed as well as blessed with nature, and very few places we will found blessed with nature as well as development.
Okay. So that is the 2 young girls from Maharashtra, from Mumbai, who have come here. They just reached Pahalgam yesterday, but there was a horrible attack, and they had to leave Pahalgam, but they are saying they are not leaving Kashmir because the experience they have with the locals, they are saying it is something. One of the young girls were telling me she lost her bag and someone came from 15 kilometers and returned the bag. And so she has they have a lot of gratitude for the locals, and locals are actually displaying that when they come out and shouting slogans against terrorists, and it is for the first time we see a complete shutdown across Kashmir. You cannot find a single shop open today. It's in protest against this terror attack, while innocent people have been killed. Real attack is on Kashmiriyat and its image, peace and development of this place, and many people had to leave. There's horrific and killing.
Yes. And Syed Adil Hussain Shah, who you were mentioning about just a while back, he was a local, he was a Kashmiri local. He came forward, he tried to save the woman when this attack, save one of the women there who were present when this attack took place.